How to fix banned account in Litmatch. Hi there, digital explorers. Do you love connecting to new friends through Litmatch? Have you found yourself banned and unable to engage with the community? No worries, today we're going to guide you on how to fix a banned account in Litmatch. First off, it's important to understand why accounts get banned. Litmatch is a community that values respect and safety. Violating community guidelines such as inappropriate content or behavior can result in a temporary or even a permanent ban. Now, if you find yourself in this predicament, don't panic. There is a process you can follow to appeal your ban and possibly get your account reinstated. Firstly, log into your Litmatch app. Navigate to the Me section at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, click on the Settings at the top right corner. Once in the Settings, scroll down and select Help and Feedback. A new page will open. Click on Account Blocked and follow the instructions that appear on your screen. Fill in the form with all necessary information. This includes your username, the reason for your ban, and your appeal. Be sincere and explain why you believe your account should be unbanned. Remember, honesty is key. Admitting your mistake and showing that you understand the community guidelines can go a long way in helping your case. Once you've filled out the form, submit it. Litmatch support team will review your request and decide whether to lift the ban. Be patient. This process can take up to a few days. While you wait, take some time to review Litmatch's community guidelines so you can avoid getting banned in the future. In case your appeal is rejected, don't lose hope. You can create a new account using a different phone number or email address. But remember, it's crucial to follow the community guidelines to prevent another ban. Remember, Litmatch is a platform to make new friends and have fun. So, always be respectful and considerate of others. Follow the guidelines, and enjoy connecting with people from around the world. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more tips and tricks, stay connected.